The Apple iPad 10th generation is a fresh take on the classic iPad, featuring a sleek and modern design with an edge-to-edge 10.9-inch liquid retina display. Unlike its predecessor, it ditches the home button and moves Touch ID to the power button, giving it a more premium look. Available in vibrant colors like blue, pink, silver, and yellow, this iPad brings a fun and youthful aesthetic to Apple's tablet lineup. Powered by the A14 Bionic chip, the iPad 10th generation delivers smooth and responsive performance. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or multitasking, the tablet handles tasks with ease. It supports the first-generation Apple Pencil, making it great for note-taking and drawing. The new landscape-oriented front camera is an excellent addition, improving video calls and online meetings. However, it lacks the laminated display and ProMotion technology found in higher-end models, which may be a drawback for users looking for a more premium screen experience. The iPad 10th generation is an excellent choice for students, casual users, and professionals needing a reliable tablet for everyday tasks. While it may not be the most powerful iPad available, it's a balance of design, performance, and affordability, which makes it a solid investment. If you're looking for a stylish, capable, and versatile tablet without breaking the bank, this iPad is worth considering.